bought 12 gig of data for just 2,000 naira. I know a lot of you will be like, how did you do it? How did you do it? Because if you die the star 321, that's your usual way of subscribing to data plans. If you die it on your phone, you will found out that 2,000 naira gig of data is not 12 gig. It should be about 4 gig or 5 gig. So how can we do 12 gig of data for just 2,000 naira? It's a question. You are not going to use that star 321. This is a cheat code I've been using for years. I've been using this for years, and I wish and I hope GLO did not see this and take that feature down, because that feature is really, really helpful. It has helped me in a lot of ways. So what are we going to use? We are going to make use of the PalmPay app. Yes, you heard me right. The PalmPay app. And this feature is mind blowing. Oh, at first, this feature it's a 7 days plan. It's a 7 days plan, all right. But we are going to trick GLO and make it a 30 days plan, because GLO tends to give you more data when the period of time is shorter. I don't know if a lot of you know this, because that's how they do it. If you buy some amount of data that is lesser, GLO gives you long time to use it. But if you buy a bigger data plan, you get shorter time. So this our data plan is bigger. So we get 7 days plan, but we are going to make it 30 days. We are going to make it 30 days. How can we do this? I'm going to show you step by step on my smartphone how I did this trick. Just pay attention to this video. Watch this video to the end and pay attention, because this is really, really helpful. It's really, really helpful. If you find this video helpful at the end, please just do it by liking, subscribing, and commenting on this video, because it helps me and gives me happiness that a lot of people really, really see this video and it was helpful to them. So without wasting much time, let's dive into this. After you have opened your PalmPay app, I told you that this plan is 7 days plan. Although PalmPay make it clear that it's 30 days plan, but once you subscribe that plan, because GLO know that plan is not supposed to be 12 gig, so they make the time shorter. As you can see, the plan is showing 30 days, but once you subscribe to it, it will automatically show 7 days plan. So what are we going to do to make it 30 days plan? Because we all know that you cannot finish 12 gig of data for just 7 days. We all know, except you are a big gamer or a live streamer. So how are we going to make this a 30 days plan? So what you're going to do is buy this plan. Once you buy this plan, you are going to get double. As you can see, there is 6 gig, but once you purchase it, you are going to get 12 gig. You are going to get 12 gig of data. You're going to get 12 gig of data. So how are we going to make it 30 days plan? That's the question. So once you buy that plan, you are going to load some amount on your phone, like 500 or 1000. You are going to load it on your phone. Once you have loaded that recharge card, you go ahead and buy that plan. Once you buy the plan, you are going to get double of it. That's how it works. You are going to get double of that your 6 gig, which making it 12 gig of data. So once you buy that plan, you are going to use that card you load on your phone, that you subscribe on your phone, to buy another 30 days plan. You get it? You get the trick now. You are going to use that card. Once you have buy the 7 days plan, you are going to use the airtime you load before to buy another this plan. So making it automatically, all your data is about 37 days. Get me now? It's about 37 days. It will take 37 days now for your data to expire. That's the trick. So do it now and enjoy. If this works for you, just go into the comment section and comment it works. Or if it didn't work for you, go to the comment section below and still comment it didn't work, because I know this won't work for everybody, because it worked for some GLO users. As for me, it worked for me, but it didn't work for my friend. I tried it on my friend's phone, on my friend GLO SIM, but it didn't work. So I intend to know that it won't work for everybody, but just go ahead and try it. If it works, comment in the comment section that it works. If it didn't work, just still comment on the comment section that it didn't work for you. I'm going to drop other tips on how to trick and get free data. So if you haven't seen my other video, just go ahead and watch this. My other video here is for MTN users. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.